Krisp not working with Discord? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your voice isn't clear during chats. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, open Discord settings and make sure Krisp is selected as your input device. I mean, if it's not selected, it won't process your audio at all. Next, set Krisp as your output device too. Yeah, this helps clean incoming audio and gives you better overall sound quality. Now, open Krisp itself and make sure your real microphone is selected properly. I mean, if the wrong mic is chosen, nothing's going to work correctly. Okay, this part is important. Turn off Discord's built-in noise suppression. If both Krisp and Discord try to filter audio, it can actually mess things up. After that, restart both Discord and Krisp. Yeah, this clears small bugs and refreshes the connection between them. Also, make sure both apps have microphone permission in your system settings. I mean, without access, your audio just won't go through. Then check for updates for both apps. Older versions can cause compatibility issues or random bugs. And finally, use Discord's mic test feature to confirm everything is working. You should see your voice being detected clearly. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp not working with Discord. One of these steps should get your audio clean and working again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Krisp not working with Discord? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your voice isn't